In this video, I'm going to make Titan Drillman from Skibidi Multiverse. But before we begin, credit to these legends. Their channels will be linked down below in the description. And now on to the video. We will be using this size chart from Elite Clockman's video, so we have an accurate size comparison of Titan Drillman. So first we're going to start off with Titan Drillman's legs. Due to him being one of the smallest Titans in the multiverse, it was more difficult to build versus Titan Clockman or Titan Speakerman. But in the end, after trial and error, I found a very good design that somewhat suited him and was decently accurate. So I'd say it all worked itself out. And that's the legs done. And now let's get started on the arms. And that's the arms done. Now let's move on to the body and the head. And that's all of it done. Now let's put this bad boy together. Well, that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you guys never miss out on another video. A hui ho you all. Mahalo.